Hello everybody and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events, recording this at about 2 o'clock Thursday, April the 23rd. And we're going to watch Friday, especially during the afternoon and evening. The Storm Prediction Center, as you see here, has got the entire state in a slight risk, and even southern Arkansas in an enhanced risk, so not quite a moderate risk, just we're expecting a little bit more coverage and intensity for the thunderstorms across southern Arkansas. And it's just south of Little Rock, but Little Rock, I think we're going to have some severe thunderstorms around our area, but this is just where the greatest potential is. Let me show you what we call CAPE. This is convective. Let me scoot this over just a little bit. This is convective available potential energy, and this is a parameter that we like to use to see the instability in the atmosphere. Instability is the warmth and the moisture content. And I know this is so hard to read, it's scribbled on here, but where you see these reds, these yellows and reds and purples, that's where you're getting high levels of instability. Notice how it's all south of Arkansas. This is today. It's about 7 o'clock, but watch the surge towards the north. The unstable air, right? This is Friday morning, by the way. This is Friday at 10 a.m. Still just towards our southwest in the Arklatex, but look how it surges into that enhanced area that the Storm Prediction Center has outlined. So some significant amounts of what we call surface-based instability may develop. This is by 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see that this is all elevated here just south of Little Rock, especially in southern Arkansas, southwest Arkansas, where we have some high levels of that convective available potential energy, that instability, and see how that starts to diminish tomorrow night with the loss of daytime heating. Now, let me explain what you're looking at here. This is one of the computer models, what we call Futurecast here, and this model is not always all that great, but it does sort of show what I think may happen here. You see the cloud cover, you see the time there right under where it says forecast. This is at 10:30 in the morning, maybe a few showers and thunderstorms. But the real show right in there, 5:30 in the afternoon, you start to see some storms and maybe even some supercellular thunderstorms that begins to develop. And then I think wind and hail is going to be a bigger potential, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado with this. This is at 8:30. You see a large area, and I think a lot of this is going to be some wind and some hail with that. And then it moves east of the Mississippi River right around midnight. So the window for severe weather, according to this, is tomorrow. You get some showers and thunderstorms during the day, but I think the worst of this, again, right there, 6 o'clock to about midnight. So I think that's the time period as you see that this cluster of thunderstorms, this area of thunderstorms moving across the state. So I just want to give everybody a heads up on this, that we are anticipating. Let me see if I can pull it up again. The risk for severe weather is categorized as slight, but if there's an area that has a little bit better potential, it's portions of Chico County on up towards Pine Bluff, to southern Saline County, on over to Hot Springs, Mount Ida, and then near Mena, just south of Mena, in this area of the state. This could change, but this is the greatest severe potential. Thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.